Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use Clickup for beginners. But first, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So first, go to your browser and search for clickup.com. One app to replace them all. You can manage tasks, workflows, and goals, collaborate in documents and whiteboards, save time with no-code automations. You can enter your work email to get started if you already have an account. Or you can click on sign up if you're new to ClickUp. Now, if you scroll down a little bit here, under Documents, the world's most powerful and fun documents. You can click Get Started to create a document. Under Whiteboards, you can bring your ideas to life with whiteboards. And under Dashboards, you can see how you're doing in real time with dashboards. You can see these graphs here. And then, if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see under Import, you can import to the future of work with one click. Under Download, you can get more work done wherever you are. Under ClickUps, you can customize tasks for any need. Integrations, bring all of your tools into one place. And under Automations, save time by automating your work. And if you scroll down a little bit again, you can see under Project Management, build for teams from 1 to 1000 plus. You can visualize and plan, collaborate, and track progress. Then after that, under Engineering, you can develop better products faster, visibility without the busy work, and seamless development options integrations. Then, under Sales, you can automate sales processes, manage accounts, and real-time reporting. Then, under Marketing, campaign management, collaborate on marketing assets, and content calendars. Under Product, you can prioritize, plan, and deliver, and you can also customize your workflows and all in one platform. Under Design, you can manage creative workflows, collaborate on designs, and fast-track feedback and approvals. Now, under Finance, you can manage budgets, create and share reports, and automate routine tasks and reminders. Under HR, employee onboarding, document management, and performance and goal tracking. And under IT, faster self-service IT forms, track, triage, and assign requests, and bring dev and IT closer together. ClickUp has become such an integral part of our work. By putting our work on ClickUp and organizing it into sprints, we made it easy to work across departments without overloading ourselves with meeting and email threads. That's a review from Jacob, Inbound Marketing Team Lead, SDX Next. Now if you scroll down again, you can see number 1 support in software, 24/7 real-time support. One app to replace them all of your work in one place, tasks, documents, chat, goals, and more. Now let's go at the top and click on Sign Up. Sign up for free and start using ClickUp in seconds. Enter your work email here, and then click on Get ClickUp. Let's go! You have to put your full name, your email address, and choose a password. After that, you can now click on Play with ClickUp. Welcome! Our mission is to make you more productive. This will only take a minute. So let's do it. You can edit your name on Workspace. You can also use the name of your company or organization. Here we have Yeye Buno's Workspace, and then click Next. You can also customize your workspace avatar. You can drop an image or browse, or you can use this logo here. You can choose the theme you want, and then after that, you can now click on I'm happy so far. You can also choose your favorite color theme. Let's choose this one, and then click on I'm happy so far. How many people will you be working with? Just me? 2 to 5, or I don't know. How do you want to start using Clickup? I'll start using Clickup for. You can choose an option here, and then click Enter. For here, we can choose Creative and Design. How did you hear about us? A friend or colleague? TikTok? TV streaming? Or other? Here, we can click on YouTube. Click on that. Now, do you use any of these tools for project management? Let's try on Asana. Click on that, and note that will help you import tasks. That's it. Now go and change the world, and don't forget to have fun. Click on Play with Clickup. Clickup is best experienced using our mobile app. Our web app has features so big, they won't fit on a small screen. You can choose to open in free mobile app or continue on web anyway. Welcome to Clickup. Here you can see home, notifications. You can also add new space. You can see everything. Space to create a folder, list, or document. You also have a theme space, dashboards, and documents. And right below, you can also invite friends. You can also add a task here. And you can also upload on Asana. And if you click on Asana, you will see these settings here. People, themes, spaces, import or export, ClickUps, integrations, upgrade, trash, security, and permissions. And after that, you can now add a task. And there you have successfully used ClickUp. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.